We're here today for the VPS Build-a-thon. We're introducing developers and creators and just people who are curious about this world to our Lightship visual positioning system technology.
They will learn all about VPS, then they're going to form teams and work on their very own VPS project throughout the weekend.
And ultimately be able to build, hopefully, a working application, a working experience using Lightship.
What's your team name?
Destructo Games?
Yes, that's right. It's Destructo Games. Dorks.
It's Destructo Games.
We are a group of developers, designers that have been working in New York for like 5-6 years. There's one new person to the team that we had just met yesterday, Justin.
We are Memoir.
Our team is 4 team members. 3 of us were actually co-workers. We came all the way up here from North Carolina, and we knew that we had a missing link in our team, which was creative and design. And so we were able to find Jessica, who was our last team member.
We're AAA.
I always love being in spaces where there are people who are excited about technology and creativity and want to make something.
Our team name is UDM.
I used to have this kind of an obsession with Niantic back in the day. Like growing up, I used to play Ingress a lot, and once I discovered hearing what Niantic was able to do, and then seeing them put out some product where once I entered the developer world, I wanted to be part of that.
I have a feeling we're the best Unity devs here, and we all didn't want to work very hard, so we all kind of were like, yeah, we share the burden. We can learn a lot about the SDK and make something fun and have a good time.
I have a feeling we're the worst Unity devs here, but we'll see what happens. Hypothesis of what you're going to make throughout this weekend? Something single player that might be expanded to multiplayer, and definitely a game for sure.
We're trying to do something that was kind of ambitious, and it turned out that that's kind of the wrong way to approach game jams, generally speaking. Just when you're hacking something together that's super experimental, there's all these unforeseen pitfalls that are time sinks, and it's just one of those things that we kind of fell into a few of those along the way.
Though we've known each other, we haven't worked together completely before. So we're trying to figure out, who does what, who's going to lead the development, who's going to lead organization, lead design, trying to just get all the logistical stuff figured out first.
We started off, the 3 of us, with a pretty good technical background in terms of what we thought that we could build, but we were lacking an idea, which is where Jessica came in. She came in with a really neat idea for us to be able to create something that would allow people to build an experience and make it a social experience as well too.
Our idea is modern take of monuments, so kind of creating a hybrid type of monuments or
rethinking public spaces, rethinking public things.
Exactly, yeah.
Our project was called Fashion Forever. Basically, it was a real-time runway show around our VPS location, which was the subway car here. How it works is anybody can come and use their phone, and they can see a live runway show with a number of virtual models that have different outfits on, and they can react to it by throwing fire emojis, and it's all real-time, and you can kind of see it and share it together.
We made a music festival app that allows people to connect with their friends and see the musicians and which stages they're playing on, and then be able to star those musicians and add to their schedule. And then they can also check in at all these various waypoints or wayspots around the festival and see a mini map of where their friends have checked in and which DJs and musicians are playing on which stages and where their friends will be going next.
Now on the last day, we'll bring in judges as industry leaders, and they'll come and look at the projects and actually crown a winner, allowing them to feel supported, feel confident. That's a win for us.